Hello friends, welcome back. Okay, I know this time around I just couldn't prevent myself from choosing the most clickbaity title out there for this video. But trust me, I have a point, so hear me out. Yes, you guessed it. Unfortunately, there is no secret equation for success, but I argue that there are indeed common traits to the paths of successful people. There definitely are recurrent patterns. There are some fundamental pillars on top of which to build a successful life, and that you can easily remember if you put them together in the success equation.
The success equation.
Success equals skills plus communication plus work, all multiplied by luck. Regardless of what is its meaning for you, success is in fact the combination of four pillars: your core skills, aka what you can do, your communication ability, a significant amount of hard work, all multiplied by a nice dose of luck.
Skills.
So, pillar number one is core skills. What do I mean by core skills? Well, I mean your intrinsic capacity to produce valuable things and ideas. If you are a photographer, then it's being able to take photos. You're a programmer, it's your coding ability. A musician, it's being able to play an instrument and compose songs. An engineer, it's being able to design rockets, bridges, machines. Core skills are usually a mix of stuff you learn supported by some innate propensity you possess. If your propensity to a certain thing is particularly remarkable, then people would call it talent. Unfortunately, we don't get to decide on our innate propensity or aptitude, but more on luck later. In any case, core skills is about your ability to make and to create. You cannot be successful if you cannot create value for others.
Communication.
Pillar number two is communication. This is about how good you are at communicating your ideas to others, how good you are at presenting yourself, what you do and why, how capable you are to motivate, influence and lead others, how good you are at talking to people, grab their attention and convince them. This is probably the most underrated factor when we think about successful people. You might be a genius, have a brilliant idea, but if you are incapable of making it clear to others, selling it, win them over with your words, nobody will ever buy it. Humans are social animals. We evolved over millions of years to function well in communities. Our brain is wired to understand, retain stories involving other humans, and we are in constant search for meaning in everything we hear and see. Successful people must be good storytellers, must be able to convey ideas and to affect others. Those who are capable of pulling those strings manage to be appreciated, recognized and followed.
Hard work.
Pillar number three is work. Hard work. Not a single soul, not even the most talented person on earth, became successful without breaking their backs with countless hours of hard work. Elon Musk's literally insane 90 hours work week routine, or Michael Phelps' 6 hours a day, 365 days a year training schedule are examples of what I'm talking about. Even if they are both extremely talented people, they still put in tremendous amounts of hard work day after day. There is zero chance you will make anything meaningful of your life if all you do is sitting on the sofa 10 hours a day, binging on your Netflix series or playing video games for 30 hours a week. Even though, if I think about it, that would be awesome. To refine your core skills, you have to study, build, fail, rebuild, refail time and time again. To be a better storyteller, you have to exercise, you have to read, write and practice.
Luck.
Pillar number four is luck. Now, you can be the guy with pretty decent skills, you might be a great communicator and even put in a lot of hard work, but you won't go too far without a good dose of luck. Luck is being in the right place at the right time. It's about knowing the right people, having the right connections. It's about having the opportunity to learn core skills, having the means to build your idea. We cannot ignore the fact that a kid born to an affluent family in San Francisco will have more chances than one living in Lagos slums. Luck is the boosting factor to our equation. Luck will accelerate or decelerate your journey towards success. It will define your pace. Luckier people will reach their goals faster, while less fortunate will need to put in more skills and more work to reach their goals. Luck is about having an unfair advantage, something which others cannot easily replicate. A good friendship, a mentor, a sponsor, a supportive philanthropist. Now, okay, I know what you're thinking. I have no talent, I was not born to reach Silicon Valley entrepreneur, and I have no sponsors. So I'm screwed, I will never be successful. Hold on, that's not true. Even if you cannot fabricate luck, you can gently nudge luck on your favor. There are tons of ways to improve your chances of attracting lucky circumstances. Enlarge impact surface, expose yourself to luck, do more, take action, put yourself out there, meet more people, go out more. Talk to people about your ideas and meet their friends. Sometimes serendipity needs a little push. There is an old Latin proverb that says, Fortuna audaces juvat, which means fortune favors the bold. Luck favors the ones who are bold enough to try. If you'd like to explore a little bit more this idea of the unfair advantage and ways by which you can turn luck in your favor, I highly recommend checking out this book that are linked below.
Conclusions.
If we look at successful people, some show remarkable peaks in one of the pillars of the equation, some in others, but each single one of them is important. You cannot have incredible core skills but be a terrible storyteller. You can be a genius but not put in enough work. Or you can be a smart guy, move people, put in hard work but have no luck. The thing is that you have to be extremely good in one of the pillars to compensate a poor performance on the others. The takeaway here is that none of the elements alone can make for a successful life. We have to invest time and focus on achieving the right mix. The great news is that we can act on every pillar and we can start improving our chances of success right now. Just take action, be curious, learn new skills, put yourself out there, tell people about your ideas, expose yourself to luck, be bold. If you found value in this video or any idea resonates with you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It will help reaching more people. If you like what I do and like to see more, please also consider subscribing. That is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.